Welcome, everyone. Today we are going to solve the equation 2x times the square root of 4x equals 8. Now, before we begin, let's think about our plan. First, we want to simplify the square root. Then, we will isolate the variable. Finally, we will solve for x. So, let's start. We have 2x times the square root of 4x equals 8. Notice that the square root of 4x can be written as 2 times the square root of x. So the equation becomes 2x times 2 square root of x equals 8. Simplifying, that gives us 4x times the square root of x equals 8. Now, to isolate, we divide both sides of the equation by 4. That gives us x times the square root of x equals 2. Next, let's rewrite the square root of x as x to the power of 1/2. So the equation becomes x times x to the 1/2 equals 2. Multiplying, we add the exponents. That gives us x to the power of 3/2 equals 2. Now, to solve for x, we raise both sides to the power of 2/3. On the left, x to the 3/2 raised to 2/3 becomes x. On the right, 2 raised to the 2/3 power remains 2 to the 2/3. So the solution is x equals the cube root of 4. Take a moment to reflect. By simplifying the square root, rewriting with exponents, and carefully isolating the variable, we solved the equation step by step with confidence.